Okay, so we're out here at San Pablo Reservoir today, and we're doing a little fishing. We're trying all kinds of different things today. We ran into a couple of big schools of bluegill today. Lots of different colors. It is a very windy day. It's really, really windy today. I mean, super windy. Today is June 10th, 2017, and it's a very, very windy day. We spoke to a lot of fishermen. They're not having too good of a day, but we found a couple of schools of bluegill, so we've been having some fun. Just bouncing a little bit on the floor. I'm getting hit right now. I think we got one. Yeah, here we go. So here's another one. So this is kind of what like we're catching. This one's actually more beautiful than the other ones. So this guy, you can see he has the inflated chest, kind of yellow, really, really nice. And he's real purpley. And of course he has the bluish face. But the color is amazing. You know, if you get the color in the sun, you know, you can see that the amazing, amazing color on this guy. So this is like a really, really beautiful bluegill. I think I can just release the hook right here. Let's take a look. Yeah, here we go. So we're just catching and releasing today. This guy's a real, real, real nice one here. And well, we're gonna keep fishing, but it's really, 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 really windy today. So here's this guy. Beautiful.
That's really cool.
We're gonna go ahead and let him go. He's gone. But we're gonna keep fishing, trying for a little bit for bass, a little bit for trout. But at least the bluegill are biting pretty good. We found a couple of nice schools, and we're having a good time. So we're gonna keep fishing and see what else we get. We gotta fight the wind today. Beautiful day, it's just very, very windy. So we'll keep fishing and see what else we get, and what else we can get on video today. Whoop whoop, till later.
Bye.